The time is 18:18 on this wonderful 6th of May. This is Playa de Muro, a long beach that stretches south of Alcudia, and I am here right at the canal where the beach takes a little turn. Wonderful sunshine, and let's dive in here and see how it is. It looks very amazing. On the other end of the canal there was lots of seaweed, but here there is none, so it is perfect. I can see my hotel from here. It's around 4.5 kilometers from here, so I have still a lot to go back. So I thought, let's have a beach spot halfway through, as I was walking from Camp Capot, which is almost 10 kilometers from the hotel in Alcudia, and yeah, better enjoy the sunshine while it lasts before the sun sets for today. The waves are amazing. Very shallow here. See? I have been walking now for 20 meters, is it? Beautiful. Yes, this beach, Playa de Muro, it's very long. Maybe 7 to 10 kilometers approximately. And then it also connects a bit with Alcudia beach. That's actually a separate one where my hotel is, and it is still very shallow, so I don't know, let's just dive in and explore. Right? Are you ready? Okay, let's go! Yes, absolutely amazing. This is life. Yeah, the forecast for today is set around 25 degrees Celsius maximum, but it went up to 28 degrees. So, and the water was very warm, for me at least. So, compared to the water temperature in Sweden, but even in Crete, that was 2 weeks ago, this stretch here gets warmed up faster. Let's swim some more! Over there is such a huge sand area. It's absolutely amazing to swim and don't think about any rocks that you might occur. Really amazing. Let's dive in again. Amazing. I'm gonna swim some more and enjoy a bit more, but Greetings from Playa de Muro in Mallorca, Spain. And yeah, this was a fantastic day one of the vacation. And we're gonna have 6 more days filled with lots of beach adventures, lots of exploration of new hidden and secluded beaches, and lots of training in between, of course. Lots of walking, running, group trainings, swimming, of course. Even cycling might be a good option to explore further parts of the island. So yeah, have a good one. Bye.